Hello everyone, my name is Jui Roy from Sirampur, Hooghly. I am 21 years old. I completed my senior secondary education and higher secondary education in Rajadharpur Netaji Girls High School in the year 2020 and 2022. After that, I completed my BA degree in Bidhan Chandra College at Rishra, Hooghly under University of Calcutta. Presently, I am studying in MA course in Sirampur Girls College under Rabindra Bharati University. After that, I am also undergoing a spoken English course at Konnagar to improve my English speaking ability. We are a very happy family of 5 members: my grandmother, father, mother, my younger brother and myself. My grandmother is the senior most member in our family. My father runs a business. He owns a transport business and my mother is a homemaker. My father takes all our expenses in our family and including my educational fees, and my mother doing all our household activities. Sometimes I help my mother to do her work. I love to spend my recreation time watching videos and scrolling social media. Sometimes I gossip with my close friends and I have some interest in drawing. After completing my post-graduation degree, I want to complete my higher studies. After acquiring my post-graduation degree, I would like to go for a PhD and I wish to do a doctorate and write some research paper in my favorite subject, which is Bengali. I want to make my parents' dream come true.